Hi, my name is David Fedek, and I'm the coordinator of the machine workshop inside the MSD Fab Lab. The workshop is our hands-on makerspace, providing Melbourne Uni students the opportunity to build their dreams, or at least their tutors. Part of the Fab Lab's vision is to introduce you to the exciting world of fabrication, both through traditional methods and emerging digital technologies. I see the machine workshop partnering with our digital labs to increase our opportunities and encourage all of our students to utilize everything the Fab Lab has to offer. Now, let's take a look around the workshop. We have an array of equipment, including traditional hand tools, small power tools, and industrial level machinery to support fabrication. Our extensive facilities give you the capability to build nearly anything you can think of, from bespoke furniture, architectural models, to full-scale mock-ups and prototypes. Our primary material is timber, but we'll readily build with acrylic, aluminum, and other non-traditional materials. Running the workshop is done by a passionate group of makers with a combined 30 years of expertise in architectural and furniture design, model making, traditional woodworking, and digital fabrication. We love to problem solve and design with students and look forward to translating your project from the digital into the physical. To access the workshop, no previous experience is necessary. However, everyone must go through a series of inductions prior to use. Simply click the Access tab on our website for more information and to sign up. Once you've completed the inductions, it's time to start planning your project. Click our Training tab to see the pre-build checklist, as this outlines the steps to take for a successful build. Have a look around our website to see the capabilities of our workshop, and we'll see you next semester.